Hi everyone, I'm Manimegalai, a Salesforce developer working at Digikas. I learned a Salesforce and work on multiple POC projects at AGSJ Academy, which helped me to gain strong hands-on experience. This hands-on exposure helped me understand how Salesforce is used to solving the real business problems. Today, I'm successfully placed at the Digikas India Private Limited. Right now, I'm working on a real-time Salesforce project for QMCell Private Limited. Let's quickly walk through the company's website so that you can get a better understanding of what the company does. QMCell is a seal manufacturing company. It is nothing but it is used to prevent the leakage in rotating equipment such as pumps and industrial machines. Here you can see the different types of products they manufacture based on the customer and industry requirements. To sell these products, QMC needs to reach out to customers, respond to inquiries, and share the product details and brochures. So, Salesforce simplifies this entire process by helping the sales team to manage the inquiries, communicate with customers, and close the business more efficiently. Let me explain who is involved in this process. First, we will see about the customer, who is an external stakeholder. The customer can be an individual or an organization that wants to purchase the product from QMC. They usually visit the company website or contact a QMC branch directly to inquire about the product, even though the customer is not come under the Salesforce user category. Okay. Next, we have the Salesforce representative, who is the internal stakeholder. The sales rep is an internal employee of QMCL and an active Salesforce user. Their role is to handle the customer inquiries in Salesforce, follow up with customers, share the correct product details and brochures, and finally convert the inquiry into the successful business deals. Now I will quickly explain the business process so that you can understand the use case. I'm going to explain the next. So the business process chart when a customer inquires about the product. This inquiry is captured as the lead in Salesforce. Then the sales user follows up with the customer, shares the product details, and sends the required brochures. After continuous communication, the lead is converted into a successful business deal. So here the Salesforce acts as the central platform that manages and tracks this entire journey from start to finish. Let's look at the challenges faced by the sales team. Sales user had to manually search for the brochures, which often led to the wrong brochures being sent. Due to branch mismatches and lack of validation, the process became time consuming and error prone. So we solved this using the Salesforce automation. With a single click on a custom button, Salesforce detects the branch, select the correct brochure, and send it automatically via the email. So this entire process is completed in a single click without any manual effort. Now let's quickly jump into the Salesforce org and see how a sales rep can send a brochure to a customer in a single click. Here, Kavin Kumar is one of the leading QM sale. He has inquired about the product, and you can see that the company branch is already associated with this lead. This is the email through which we send the brochure to the customer. Now, let me show you where the brochure is stored in Salesforce. When I click on the branch, it redirects me to that branch or object directly. Since the company has multiple branches, we maintain the branch details separately. Each branch has its own brochures based on the location and product requirements. These brochures are stored as the attachment for each branch. Now let's move back to that lead record. You can see the custom button placed on the lead record page. If the sales user want to send a brochure to this particular Kavin Kumar, they just need to click the send brochure button. With a single click, Salesforce automatically detects the branch, fetches the correct brochure, and send the email automatically to the Kavin Kumar. See, we have received the confirmation message also. Okay, let me quickly check whether Kavin Kumar has received the email or not. Yes, the brochure has been successfully delivered. After reviewing the brochure, the customer reaches to the sales team and the sales rep continues the discussion and close the business deal. Now that you have seen the demo, right? Let me quickly explain how this works. Behind the scenes, Salesforce is doing all the work for us. We have set up an automated process using a Salesforce feature called Flow. You don't need to think of this as a coding. Okay, it's more like a visual process where we define step by step actions. In this process, Salesforce first checks which branch the lead belongs to, then automatically find the correct brochure for that branch, and finally sends the email to the particular customer. So finally, this solution eliminated the manual errors and ensured the data accuracy. Sales user now save their time and focus more on closing deals instead of searching the documents. Overall, it significantly improved sales productivity and customer experience. I hope this explanation gave you a better understanding of how Salesforce brings solution to business problems. Thank you.
Hello everyone, we are AJ Skill Development Academy, a Salesforce focused edtech startup, and we are proud to be an approved Salesforce authorized Trailblazer workforce partner. We help individuals from non IT backgrounds, career gaps, freshers, and working professionals transition into Salesforce careers through a structured outcome based training system. Our core product is a complete Salesforce learning and career readiness ecosystem. Here is how it works. Every trainee receives our digital learning and tracking system, which includes topic wise admin and development curriculum, study materials, hands on DIY tasks, and progress checkpoints. Trainees open each topic, access the content, practice in their Salesforce org, and update their progress step by step in the tracking sheet. We conduct daily review sessions with our experienced Salesforce trainers who verify trainees' understanding, clarify doubts, conduct hands on demos, and provide ratings for each topic. Our system also includes milestone assessments, prelims, and mock interviews. Based on their performance in these assessments, allowing us to assess learners' outcomes and filter trainees who meet company hiring criteria. We offer both online and offline modes of training to suit the trainees' convenience. In addition to Salesforce skills, we also support learners with life skill sessions like meditation, journaling, and book reading. Career guidance sessions with our senior expert trainers too, and co-learner sessions where trainees collaborate, discuss concepts, solve challenges together, and improve their skills collectively on our platform. We provide opportunity to work on real-time internal and client projects, giving them hands-on experience and project exposure. These real-time projects help trainees confidently add project experience to their resumes and stand out during interviews. At AJ Skill Development Academy, we don't just train people, we transform lives. We have helped people with 11 to 20-year career gaps, homemakers, and non IT professionals successfully enter Salesforce careers. Our trainees are now working across major Salesforce roles in and around Chennai. We consistently receive positive feedback, testimonials, and appreciation for our structured process, experienced trainers, and personal support. At AJ Skill Development Academy, our mission is to empower every learner, transform their career, and help them become skilled Salesforce professionals. Thank you for watching our video.